Good morning, everybody. I have the day off and we're going to go up to Cheboygan and pick up some really important paperwork. So we hope you're all having a great day. So we got the paperwork for Don, and now we're going to go eat here because we're really hungry.
I'm hoping they got frog legs.
Yeah?
Yeah, 'cause last time I ate here, which was last summer, and they had all kinds of frog legs in there.
Oh, maybe they will. I've never had them. I need to try them.
Oh, they're awesome.
Yeah. So something weird happened. We're halfway to Cheboygan, and Don's nephew called and needed a ride for his girlfriend to Burger King here in Cheboygan, so we had to turn around and go all the way back. That was kind of stressful because she had to be there at 4:30, and I didn't want the courthouse to close. But we made it to everything on time. But I hope that doesn't happen anymore.
Yeah, I read the thing on the courthouse, and they closed at 4:30.
Okay, yeah, so we cut it pretty close.
Yeah, it was kind of close.
Yeah.
But we made it.
Yeah. So I'm going to try frog legs for the first time. Never had anything like that before. And I got this stuff. Don got that stuff so far.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Got to.
Yeah. Look what we found in Tractor Supply. Aren't they cute?
And we got some ducks too.
Oh yeah, over there?
Yeah, over there. And here's the duck.
Yeah. Yeah, we want to get some chicks and some ducks, but we can't do it today because we don't have the stuff, the pens and stuff.
Well, you have to keep them in boxes and everything to begin with. After
Yeah.
they get big enough to be able to put them outdoors.
Yeah.
So I'll stick them outdoors right now.
Oh, what, you want to get some then?
Well, they gotta be in boxes with the heat light. That's all
Oh.
we have to do is just get a bulb. We already got a lamp to put them in.
Well, you want it then?
We can if you want to.
Hey, yeah, this might be pretty exciting. We might get some of these. So there we got our chickens and our ducks and stuff for them.
Outside right now, they'll end up not making. They won't even make it through the first night if you have them outdoors right now.
Oh, I know. Now I'm gonna be like my Aunt Ethel with chickens and ducks and stuff in the house.
You're better off getting them through here where they got a little bit more age onto them, because of the fact that when you get them when they're first hatched,
Yeah.
they're temperamental and it's harder to get them to live.
Oh. Huh.
When they're got a little bit of size like this, they're a little bit more hardy.
Yeah.
Not the kind that I wanted, but it'll work.
Yeah. So this is definitely a strange turn of events. We didn't expect this to happen today. And with this horrible wind out here, I think you can hear us.
Doing your bird. They like to be held up close. Closer the better.
Well, he's trying to crawl up my back now. Up my shoulder, I mean.
Yeah, because they like to feel secure. If they don't feel secure, that's what they do.
But yeah, there's one duck.
You see how it settled right down?
Yeah.
But that's because it feels secure.
Huh. And then we got another duck. We got these chicks. Oh, grab it. He's gonna jump or something. I only have one hand.
Yeah, these ones grew up to be red. Like Rhode Island Reds. You know, they're not Rhode Island Reds, but they grew up to be the colored Rhode Island Reds.
Yeah. What kind are they?
They called them...
Pullets?
I think so.
That's what it says in the box.
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah. So this is a new adventure for us. Don's had chicks before, but I never have. It's something new to me. So I have to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning tomorrow again. So we're going to go ahead and say goodnight, and we hope that you enjoyed the video and that you like, subscribe, comment, share, and that your day is going really well for you.
Good night, everybody. Make sure you get a chicken. That way you can be a chicken yourself. You want to know why?
Why?
So that way you can put your seat in the middle of a chicken coop and sit in it. So that way you can be a chicken.
Well, like Danny Duncan always says regarding what happened today, what's kicking, chickens? Bye.
Fucking a chicken.
Hey.